So being a student, it's already stressful and hard as it is. Thankfully, you got me, your friend that always tries to make your life easier and better. Today I'm gonna do just that. Today I'm gonna show you 5 life hacks every student, whether you're in high school, middle school, or even in college, should know to make their life easier. Number 1, it's all about saving money while shopping online. Because let's be honest, when you're in college, you don't have time to go on shopping sprees. Most of your shopping will be done online, and specifically, Amazon's gonna be your best friend. And we're talking everything from resupplying on your grooming and hygiene supplies to obviously shopping for clothes because you're gonna wanna flex while you're on campus. And since you're most likely gonna be on a budget, you're going to want to download Honey. This is a web browser extension that downloads just using 2 clicks. If you click the link below, you'll see how easy it is to install and helps you save on millions of products online. The cool thing with Honey is that it's unobtrusive, so it won't be in your face always spamming you. It's actually working on the back end, constantly searching and looking for new coupons across the web. So when you're online shopping, again, you could be replacing your Tide Pods off of Amazon or looking at those nice sneakers on Stadium Goods. Honey's working on the back end trying to find a coupon to save you money. Once you reach the checkout, you're gonna get a little notification letting you know if there is a coupon. And I didn't do any effort, just like that. And like I said, this thing is free and only takes 2 clicks to download. Go ahead, I'll wait. Click the link below and download it to your web browser. The second hack I recommend for every student: carry a small bottle of cologne in your backpack at all times. Please don't be the kid carrying that cheap bottle at Axe. I've already told you that makes you smell tacky. The perfect travel carry bottles that I carry all the time are the ones from our sponsors, Scentbird. They come in a very stylish and small portable container that you can easily throw in your bag and not have to worry about it. It's lightweight, it's not big, and it's perfect for traveling or, of course, when you're going to school. But most importantly, if you run into the love of your life, you're only 2 sprays away from her just throwing herself onto you. Because if you smell like crap, good luck, buddy. Your chances of rejection just went up tenfold. That's the great thing with Scentbird, because if you're a college student, you don't have the money to go to a department store and pay $90 to $100 for a full bottle of fragrance. With Scentbird, you're only paying $15 a month and you get new fragrances delivered to you every month, and the amount is pretty substantial and most likely will last you more than a month, and you'll build a whole collection. But here's something even better. I told them I wanted to make this video for young guys, for students. So I told them I need an aggressive discount code to make sure it was affordable for you guys. And these guys pulled through. They've never ever offered a discount this massive to anybody. So if you've ever wanted to try Scentbird or even want to try it right now, they're offering a 30% discount on their already affordable $15 a month plan. So in other words, for no commitment, you can try Scentbird for 1 month for around $10. You're never gonna get that deal ever again. So if you guys want to check out Scentbird and make sure you're always smelling on point, definitely check them out. There's going to be a link down below with that discount code. That way you can get it at a price you'll probably never see again. The third hack as a student is all about learning faster. Because let's be honest, sometimes you're in class and it's like you're learning Chinese. So believe it or not, if you want to learn faster, you're going to have to go old school. Pen and paper old school. Researchers from both Princeton and UCLA found that when you take notes with pen and paper, you are both actively listening better and are able to identify important concepts, as opposed to just the mindless transcription that happens when you're taking notes on a laptop. Not to mention, when you're on a laptop, you have tons of distractions from emails to messages and whatnot. So if you want to retain information better and learn faster, you're gonna have to start taking notes by hand. Number 4, this 4th hack, it's all about waking up early and excited. Because as you probably already know now, early risers have the greatest advantage in this world. It's like this world was made for early risers. Jobs start early, school starts early, you get more out of the day. You're more productive if you're an early riser. Morning risers are usually more aware, better problem solve, and more productive. So for me, the easiest way to learn how to be an early riser and actually like it is to get in a routine. So every night, set yourself literally a bedtime. 10 to 11 is usually optimal. Find what works for you and go to sleep at that time every night. And set up what time you're gonna wake up. I like using my phone alarm 5:30 in the morning, that's my optimal time. If I sleep anything more than that, I feel sluggish, I feel out of whack, and my whole day's messed up. You do this consecutively, before you know it, you're gonna be waking up before that alarm even goes off, and now you're gonna be an early riser that's actually excited about it. And finally, the fifth hack is how to make new friends. Again, when you're in school, one of the struggles is about making and meeting new friends. Sometimes it's hard. So a quick hack you can do, because again, it's all a mental game. When you walk into a classroom, you wanna walk in there with confidence and already assume that everyone already likes you. This This works like a charm because now it's gonna make it easy to strike up conversations with anybody in the room because you're thinking they already love you, and slowly but surely, people will start liking you because you're that friendly guy. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. Those are 5 essential hacks that every student should know to make their college and school life easier. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsors, Honey and Semper. They're gonna be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.